SERVPRO provides solutions for specialty cleaning and property disaster recovery problems. Whether it's a home on Elm Street that requires mold remediation or a large commercial facility on Main Street that's flooded, SERVPRO provides trained and experienced teams equipped with the latest scientific techniques and the best equipment so we can make it like it never even happened. To us, it's more than a slogan. It's our way of doing business. Making it like it never even happened means restoring a damaged property to its pre-loss condition, and in many cases, restoring it to better than it was before. It also means serving our customers by delivering a positive experience as we eliminate the interruption to their lives. As part of SERVPRO's nationwide footprint, we benefit from advanced training and from other SERVPRO operators who are certified to work with and support us locally on large projects, including potential storm damage recovery. No other restoration company can match the power of SERVPRO. That's why we're your best choice. That's another reason we can say, like it never even happened.